Okay guys, check out this 2018 Audi A7 Premium Plus. Rebuilt title. This vehicle was bought from me about 5-6 years ago. 21,000 miles as a rebuilt title, so it's had almost 100,000 miles on it since the damage. It was front end damage though, all fixed up. This for brakes. Start it up here for you. You can see 116,281 on the miles. Heated steering wheel. Adaptive cruise. All your different options here. Navigation. Heated seats. Smart key. Does have a sunroof on it. Ooh, heated mirror. Looks like power fold mirrors. All weather floor mats. Sweet cross stitch. Heated seats. New tires on it. Three point oh turbo with all-wheel drive, Quattro. See, these rims are a little scraped up. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.